Okay, contracts with multiple years means one contract, single contract for more than 1 year. It means that in simple language. And before this, what we had done was इसका उल्टा, multiple contracts मतलब more than one contract but 1 year. Okay, उल्टा of this. Yeah. Okay, इधर multiple contracts थे. कैसे? See, contract A, contract B, more than one contract. Yeah, and it was for only 1 year only we calculated ना. ये जो भी हमने बनाया था contract account, this was for 1 year only. Okay, and now what we are doing is, yeah, this is C. This is one contract with multiple years, with many years. Okay, so chalo, let us start. Let's see the highlight of the sum. Question number 37. Okay, following information related to a contract. See the contract price, 1 crore. Okay, so this is the contract price. Next important highlight, contractee pays 80% of WIP as certified by the architect. Okay, see what they have given. This information means cash received is equal to 80% of work certified. Clear? Huh? Contract price is 1 crore and cash received is 80% of work certified. Okay, next. Okay, Swapnil, good. Then see, first year is given, second year is given, and third year is given. That means the contract takes 3 years for its completion. Okay, that is why it is called multiple years wala sum. Raw material issued. Today morning only when I took the lecture, I clearly told you all, don't look at the word issued and don't think it is outgoing of some goods. No. Raw material issued means raw material issued to site, matlab to the construction site. Okay, so this is incoming of goods. So it will be added to raw material consumed formula. Okay. I made it very clear in the morning today. Yeah, Samita, very good. Direct wages debited to contract. Direct expenses debited to contract. Indirect expenses debited to contract. Work certified. Now this is a new terminology used. Cumulative. Cumulative. Okay. Yeah, this is the new word. I guess I should use a yellow highlighter only. It looks better. Yeah. Okay, so this is the new word, cumulative. Okay, I'll tell you the meaning of cumulative. Okay, just listen carefully. What do you mean by cumulative? Okay. Okay. Say my first year is 4 rupees. My second year is 8 rupees. And I said this 8 rupees is cumulative. Matlab this 4 rupees is also there in this 8 rupees. Okay. Yeah. Then if I say my third year is 20 rupees, that means these two figures are inclusive in this cumulative. Okay, that is called cumulative. Matlab inclusive of the previous total is known as cumulative. I repeat, cumulative means inclusive of the previous total. Yeah, collective. Yeah, Samidha, correct. So see, your cumulative total is how much? Yeah. Work certified first year 22 lakh 50,000. Next year 75 lakhs. मतलब ये 25 22 50 लाख 75 lakhs में already added है. इसको बोलते हैं cumulative. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I'll tell you what to do with the word cumulative. अभी के लिए just remember हमें इसे credit करना है. And last year का कितना है? 1 crore. Okay, last year का cumulative work certified is how much? 1 crore. Okay. Now students listen very carefully. Sometimes in exam they don't tell you whether it is cumulative or non-cumulative. Yeah, it is not cumulative. Okay. The how in exam you will come to know okay, this work certified is cumulative or non-cumulative. Okay. while doing contract costing with you, I'll take you back to the theory. I had very clearly told you all, very clearly, I had given this example. याद आया तुम लोगों को कुछ? By contractees account, I had told you the last year of the contract there is no WIP. Whenever it is the last year of the contract, there is no calculation of WIP because last year is the year in which the building will be already constructed. So I cannot write that by closing WIP by work uncertified. I cannot put this entry. So what did I tell you? Instead of that, we should assume that we have received full money from the contractee, money receivable. Okay, yeah. So the journal entry was contractee account debit to contract account. Okay, so we will be working on this point. Okay, yeah. So I'll tell you how to identify the word cumulative. Okay, contract का last year देखो. It is how much? 1 CR. And see the total contract price. It is how much? 1 CR. So the last year of the last year's closing WIP should be equal to the contract price. Then it is cumulative work certified. Okay, I repeat, the last year of the work certified. See, last year of work certified is how much? 1 CR. This value should be equal to your total contract price. Yeah, it is equal. See, my contract price is 1 CR. Okay, अगर ये equal हो गया तो समझ जाना the work certified which is given in the question paper is a cumulative work certified. Am I clear about this? Okay, am I clear about whatever I said right now? Exam में how to identify work certified is cumulative or it is not cumulative. The last year of work certified should be equal to my total contract price. If it is equal, means it is cumulative. Okay. Yeah. So thank you, students. Yeah. Work uncertified. This also I know I have to credit. Plant issued. Okay. Yeah. Plant issued means plant issued to the construction site. Okay. For the construction site. Okay. ये भी वही logic पे चलता है. ये same देखो. Okay. Plant issued to site. So actually, you know what is this? This 75,000, this is the cost price of the plant. Okay, this is the cost price of the plant. Anyways, I need cost less WDV is depreciation. Okay, so this information is given to calculate depreciation. Then material on site at the year end. So this is closing stock less from RMC. Okay, Samida, I'll give it in writing the cumulative part. Okay, I'll give it in writing when I'm doing this. Huh? Architect fees. Okay, this will be debit. It's an expense to me. Architect को पैसा देना. Okay, and उसका calculation क्या बोला है architect fees का? ये it is percentage on work certified. ठीक है, तो we'll pay attention on this. So how much it is? 4%, 4%, 4% for all the 3 years. Okay, next value of plant at the end. That is WDV at the end of first year, second year, and third year. 60,000, 45,000, and 37,500 respectively. Okay, so this is my WDV. Okay, क्या क्या पूछा है? Prepare a contract account that I will prepare for 3 years. Okay, show the calculation of P&L that we will do. That's it. But I will make you practice with P&L, with with contract account, P&L account, contractee account, and balance sheet extract. We will practice with this. Okay. WDV is written down value, Pankaj. Okay, written down value. Okay. After depreciation जो value आता है, अगर मेरा plant cost is 60, मैंने 10,000 depreciation लगाया, 50,000 बच गया, तो that 50,000 is WDV. Okay, clear? Fine. So yeah, Samida, coming to your question, you had, okay. So just write a note here. Yeah. एक note लिख दो. Note. Last year of work certified is equal to total contract price, then work certified is cumulative. Okay, this is how you will identify. Okay. Clear, Samita? Okay. Sure. Now, let us prepare. Yeah. Give the heading. In the books of contractor, this is as per AS 7, Accounting Standard 7. In the books of contractor, how many ledgers we prepare? We prepare contract account, we prepare contractees account, we prepare P&L account, and we also prepare a balance sheet. But till now, I am teaching you only balance sheet extract. Okay. After few days, we'll do balance sheet, full balance sheet करेंगे. अभी तक तो हम सिर्फ उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके या तो वो टैली नहीं होता है. ओके तो स्टार्ट विद फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर. या you will find in many books they prepare three different ledgers. First year ka ledger alag, second ka alag, third ka alag. I will not do that. I have combined the ledger. Okay, this is shortcut. This will save your time. Okay, first year, second year, third year. Yeah. Okay, start with opening WIP. I had told you all, no, always leave 3 lines in the beginning, 2-3 lines. Yeah, this is for this. For in this type 2, it will be useful for us. To opening WIP, work certified, uncertified. For the first year, it is not there. Okay, yeah. Closing WIP of first year will become opening WIP of the second year. Don't forget that. Okay, yeah, see. Closing WIP, credit side. See, by closing WIP, work certified cumulative 22 lakh 50, 75 lakhs. And third year mein there is never WIP. Yeah, there is never closing WIP. Okay. Work uncertified 50-50. Yeah. So this first year ka closing WIP will become second year ka opening. Okay. And second year ka closing WIP will become third year ka opening balance. Okay. Don't forget all this. Okay. And what did I tell you? In the third year or the last year, this is my last year. The third year is my last year. There is no WIP. So iski jagah pe I'll pass this entry. I'll assume that the whole money is receivable from the contractee at the end of the year. At the end of the third year. Yeah. So by contractee's account, 1 crore. Okay. Full amount of contract price. Okay. Yeah. The credit side is clear and completed. Okay, this all we had done while I had done theory with you. Okay. Yeah. First year ka closing WIP, I am repeating again, will become opening WIP for the second year. And the second year ka closing WIP will become third year ka opening WIP. Okay. And in the third year, there is no calculation of closing WIP because it is my last year. Last year, mein the contract is fully completed. There is no scope for work in progress. Okay. So we assume that the whole money is received from the contractee. Okay. Now, raw material consumed. So this we will have to calculate. So let us go to working note number 1. Yeah, do this working note. Raw material consumed. There is no opening stock. Put a dash. Add incoming goods, raw material issued to site. 4,60,000 minus 25,000 of closing stock. So 4,35,000. So right here 4,35,000. Okay. And one more important thing, students. This closing stock of first year will become opening stock of the second year. Yes, many students do this mistake. They don't take it. Okay. Closing stock of first year will become opening stock of second year. Okay. Next. 25,000 plus 9,40,000 minus 35,000. 9,30,000 is my raw material consumed for the second year. And same concept, second year का closing stock will become opening stock for the third year. $14,35,000. Okay. Yeah. 4,35,000, 9,30,000, and 14,35,000. So write it here. 4,30,000, 9,35,000. What is the last? 14,35,000. So right here. 14,35,000. Okay. So this completes my, sorry, it is 4,35,000 students. 4,35,000 and it is 9,30,000. Just, yeah. 4,35,000, 9,30,000 and 14,35,000. Okay. Then debit your wages. First year, second year, third year. 7 lakh, 13 lakh 50 and 9 lakh 50. Debit your direct expenses. Debit your indirect expenses. Okay. Then we'll have to calculate depreciation. Okay. We same logic, cost less WDV, difference in depreciation. Okay. So come to depreciation, working note number 2. Yeah. First year, second year, third year. Plant at cost is given 75,000. Okay. And WDV for the year is given. Okay. WDV is given. 60, 45 and 37,500. Okay. And yes, students, again pay attention. Yeah. In multiple years, you have to pay attention for the first year, second year, third. Yeah, just look here at the screen. Yeah. This plant WDV, this closing WDV will become opening WDV for second year. Okay, that is the cost for the next year. This 45,000 will become opening WDV for the third year. Okay, this is very important. Okay, 75 minus 60 is how much? Take the difference. So 15,000 is my depreciation. 60,000 minus 45,000, 15,000. And 45,000 minus 37,500, 7,500 is my depreciation. So this is my answer. 15, 15 and 7.5. So right here 15,000, 15,000 and 7,500. Okay. Next is architect fees. Okay, so I'll do that here. Working note number 1, 2 हो गया, 3. Okay, working note number 3. Yeah, do it here, dear. Working note number 3. Architect fees. Okay, how much it is said? They have said it is 4% of work certified. It's given in the question. Okay, so come to first year, second year, and third year. Okay, let us see work certified. But remember, it is cumulative. Don't forget that. Okay, so work certified. कितना है? 22 lakh 50. So right here, 20. Just a minute. Yeah, 22 lakh 50. Then third year में it is 75 lakhs. And third year में it is 1 crore. Okay. Now calculate architect fees. कितना बोला है? 1%. Sorry, 4%. So calculate it for the first year. Yeah. Calculate 4% of this. Okay. So 22 lakh 50,000 into 4%. 90,000. Okay. So right here, architect fees is 90,000. Okay. Okay, very good. Samidha and Swapnil had calculated 90,000 for the first year. Now, dear, come to the second year. Okay. Now, pay attention here. Now, this is the mistake what maximum students will do. Okay. Now, students क्या करेंगे? 75 lakhs पे calculate करेंगे, which is wrong. You are not going to calculate on 75 lakhs because this is cumulative figure. Okay. You will calculate on the difference. इसका डिफरेंस लो, टेक द डिफरेंस. ओके, टेक द डिफरेंस. 75 lakhs minus 22 lakh 50 is how much? 52 lakh 50. 52 lakh 50,000. इसका 4% निकालो. 2 lakh 10,000 is the answer. Okay, 2 lakh 10,000. Okay. Yeah, Swapnil. Good. Okay. अभी ये दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालो. इसका और इसका डिफरेंस. टेक द डिफरेंस. Okay. So 1 crore minus 75 lakhs is how much? 25 lakhs. So 25 lakhs का calculate now 4%. Okay. So 25 lakhs का 4% is how much? 1 lakh. So right here 1 lakh. Yeah, very good. ठीक है? Yeah. सबको समझा क्यों हम क्यूमुलेटिव पे नहीं निकाल रहे आर्किटेक्ट फीस? बिकॉज क्यूमुलेटिव मीन्स पहले का पैसा भी उसके अंदर ऐड किया हुआ है. तो पहले का आर्किटेक्ट फीस तो मैं दे चुकी हूँ ना, तो मैं वापस दोबारा क्यों दूंगी? आई विल पे ऑन द डिफरेंस ओनली. 75 lakhs is the work certified for the second year, but out of 75 lakhs 22 lakh 50,000 pay architect fees I have already paid 90,000. So अब मैं जो भरूंगी आर्किटेक्ट फीस वो मैं बैलेंस पे भरूंगी. That is 52 lakh 50,000. Understood? This is the logic of calculating it. Is this clear till here? Architect fees calculation is clear to everyone. Why I took it on the difference value? Because they have said ki work certified is cumulative. So I've already paid for the first year. Why will I pay again in the second year for the first year also? Correct? I will pay on the difference. Write out 90, 2 lakh 10 and 1 lakh. Okay, so right here, architect fees 90,000, 2 lakh 10,000 and 1 lakh. Okay. Aradhya, listen. You are paying this is your WIP for the, this is your work certified for the first year. Second year it is 75. Third year it is 1 CR. Okay. तुमने इस पे 4% भर दिया 90,000 फर्स्ट ईयर में. अभी ये जो वैल्यू ये बोल रहा है कि क्यूमुलेटिव है, मतलब इसके अंदर ये वाला फिगर ऑलरेडी है. मतलब मैं वापस 90,000 क्यों भरूं? मैं तो भर चुकी हूँ ना पहले ही. तो आई विल पे ऑन द डिफरेंस 52,50,000 और इस पे मैं भरूंगी 4%. Similarly, in the third year, I will pay on the difference 25 lakhs. I have already paid for first year and second year architect fees. Why will I pay again in the third year for first and second also? I will pay only for the third year. So only for the third year it is 25 lakhs, 4%. Clear? Fine. So this completes it. Now let us do the closing. थोड़ा tricky था ये, I know that. Okay. You can't close simultaneously. You have to first close the first year, then only you can close the second and third year. So first year का total कितना है? 22 lakh 50 plus 50 is how much? 23 lakhs. Okay. So 23 lakhs. Now let us see the debit side of the first year. So 4 lakh 35,000 plus 7 lakh plus 50,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000 plus 90,000, 90. So 13 lakhs. Okay, 13 lakhs कम है तो माइनस कर दो, minus 23 lakhs. Okay, so my answer is 10 lakhs. So right here my notional profit is 10 lakhs. So right here to notional profit carried down 10 lakhs, or if you want write it with zeros, 10 lakhs, box it. That's my answer. Yeah. Okay. Take it here. Transfer it here. By notional profit brought down 10 lakhs. Okay. Then you all know what to do. Yeah. Then I have to check the percentage range and all that. Okay. Okay. So let us check the percentage range. Okay. So right here. Yeah. Working note number 4. Calculation of percentage of work certified. Okay, formula is work certified upon contract price into 100. Okay, so I'm calculating for the first year. ये मेरा first year है. तो कैलकुलेट करो. Work certified is 22,50,000 divide by contract price is 1 crore into 100. Okay, so 22,50,000 divided by 1 crore into 100. So 22.5. So my percentage is 22.50. So I'm falling in which percentage? First one, 0 to less than 25 wala percentage. Okay. Therefore, range is 0 to less than 25. So, as per AS7 क्या होगा? Entire balance will go to reserves account. Don't forget this. Okay, if you are in the first range, entire balance will go to reserves account. ठीक है? डाल दो. Right here. 10 lakhs. Okay, entire balance will बोला है go to reserves. So transfer it to reserves. Right here to reserves. Okay, how much? पूरा का पूरा 10 lakhs will go to reserves. बोला है क्वेश्चन में, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Okay, yeah. And this closing reserve will become opening reserve in the next year. Don't forget this minute details. By opening balance. Okay. Reserves. How much? 10 lakhs. Okay. So ये तो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर ही खत्म हुआ है बच्चा. अभी तो सेकेंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर सब बाकी है. So obviously I'll do it in the next lecture. Okay. Start with this. We had completed the first year. First year calculations were done. We had got notional profit. Yeah. Then we calculated this percentage range for the first year. It came to 22.50%. That comes in the first category, 0 to less than 25. So as per AS7, entire balance will go to reserves account. Okay. So see, I transferred the entire balance to reserves, 10 lakhs. Okay. That means entire balance will go to reserves, मतलब PNL में कुछ भी नहीं जाएगा, है ना? So यहाँ पे nil दिखा सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है? Yeah. And then this closing reserves became opening reserves in the second year. See, closing reserves of the first year became opening reserves of the second year, 10 lakhs. ठीक है? Okay. हाँ. Now we will complete the second year. Okay, step by step जाने का. Don't complete all the 3 years एक साथ, possible ही नहीं है, because इसका balance second year में जाएगा, second का third में. That is that. Okay, so now let's close the second year. So second year में my balance will be हम check. Yeah, 75 lakhs plus 50,000 plus this 10 lakhs. So 85 lakhs 50,000. This is my credit side. Okay, don't write, वहाँ का कम भी हो सकता है, एक बार let me write, and then once it is less, then you can write it down. 85,50,000. Okay, so write here 85,50,000. 50. Let's see the debit side now of the second year. Huh? I repeat, of the second year. Debit side of the second year. So yeah, start. 22,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 9,30,000 plus 13,50,000 plus 95,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 2,10,000. Okay, so it is 49,20,000. Okay, come here. So we'll take the Shreyas, 85,50,000 is the total. You have to take reserves also, na? First year ka reserves will become second year ka opening reserves, right? On the credit side. So wo 10 lakhs bhi add hoga. So it will become 85,50,000. Clear? Understood? Yeah, it's not 75,50,000, it is 85,50,000. Fine? Minus 85,50,000. So 36,30,000 is my notional profit. Okay, so write it here in the second year. Yeah, 36 lakh. 36,30,000. Yeah, box it. Yeah. इसका total कितना था? 23 lakhs. Okay, done. Once this is done, then let's see what is the percentage range for the second year. Okay, I will not repeat this step again. I will directly write here. इसके नीचे second year करके. Okay, obviously we'll save time. Work certified. How much is work certified for the second year? 75 lakhs. Divide by contract price. Contract price is how much? 1 crore. 1 crore ko you can write like this, 100 lakhs. Shortcut. Okay, into 100. Okay. It's 100. It's 75, obviously. So my answer is 75%. You can directly do it. Yeah. Okay. 75% means I fall in which range? Third range. Yeah. So range is greater than equal to 50 but less than 100 wala range. I fall in this range. So as per the third range, P&L account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into cash received upon work certified. Okay, so 2/3 into notional profit was how much? 36,30,000. Okay, into cash received. Okay, yeah. Now I'll teach you one shortcut, students. Yeah, ध्यान दो. Yeah, so just pay attention. Yeah. Okay, now see here. What is the question telling you in the first line? Contractee pays 80% of the WIP as certified by the architect. Okay, that means cash received is equal to 80% of work certified. Okay, cash received is equal to how much? 80% of work certified. Fine. Now see what many students will do. I'll tell you. ये बस एक टेक्निक है. Okay. See, I'll tell you the technique. हाँ? काफी बच्चे क्या करेंगे, पहले कैश रिसीव निकालेंगे. They will first find this figure. Okay. And then they will write substitute here. Instead of that, they have said na the ratio of cash received and work certified is how much? 80%. So I can directly write here 80%. 80 upon 100, or you can write just 80%. Okay. Am I clear? Yeah. Is it clear? Just acknowledge. You can directly write this. Okay. Shortcut है. हाँ. हाँ. But अगर नहीं दिया है percentage of cash receive and work certified, तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो आपको cash receive निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay. या तो दिया रहेगा information में, and you have to then substitute. But because because here the percentage is given, it is 80% with work certified. So I am just telling you, informing you कि ऐसा एक shortcut आप use कर सकते हो rather than calculating cash received and then substituting. Okay, this will save your time. Okay, so these are all techniques of saving time. Okay, now calculate 36 lakh 30,000. Okay, into 2 divide by 3 into 80%. So 19,36,000 is my answer. 19,36,000 is my PN amount. Okay, substitute. Okay, डाल दो इधर 19,36,000. ठीक है? Yeah. And balance will go to reserves. यही तो हमने सीखा है. Balance will go to reserves. Transfer this here. 36 lakh 30. 36 lakh 30. Yeah. Minus 36 lakh 30. 19 lakh 36. So 16 lakh 94. Okay. Box it. So this completes my second year. Okay. Now this closing reserve of second year will become opening reserve for the third year. Okay, so let me write this. Take it here. In the third year opening 16 lakh 94. इधर लिख दो 16 lakh 94. Okay. Yeah. Fine. And then close the third year. Okay. You have to go step by step, my students. Okay, done till here? Everyone completed till here? Which is acknowledged? Then I'll move further for the last year. So, okay, fine. So last year is the year in which your construction will be completed. Okay? Yeah. तो जब तक आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तब तक आप नोशनल प्रॉफिट निकालते हो. दैट इज एस्टिमेटेड प्रॉफिट. नोशनल प्रॉफिट मींस एस्टिमेटेड प्रॉफिट. इट इज नॉट रियल प्रॉफिट. ओके. So the last year of the contract is the year. Okay, thanks Tanya. Yeah. So last year of the contract is that year in which your contract will be completed. Okay, so then that means there will be no concept of notional profit in the last year. Am I clear to everyone? Huh? I repeat once again. Since the last year of the contract will be the year in which the contract will be completed, so there will be no concept of notional profit. Okay, or whatever will be there will be real profit. Okay, yeah, and that too it will come from P&L account. Okay, yeah. So just close the last year, dear. Last year का balance देखो जरा एक बार. Yeah, see the credit side balance. Yeah. 1,16,94,000. एक बार debit side total देख लो. Sanya has total the debit side. Okay. Sanya, you have given the balancing figure or the debit side total? So let me add. Yeah, 75 lakhs plus 50,000 plus debit side total. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Thanks, Sanya. Plus 14,35,000 plus 9,50,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 25,000 plus 7,500 plus 1 lakh. Okay, 1 crore 1,77,500. Great. That means the credit side is better. Okay, Shreyas has given us the balancing figure. Very good, Shreyas. 15,16,500. ठीक है. So credit side is more, students. Credit side is more. Okay. So write down. Credit side balance is, wait, 1,16,94,000. लिखो 1,16,94,000. So right here 1,16,94,000. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Samidha, Swapnil, your Shreyas, you will have the right answers. 15,16,500. Okay, chalo, very good. Okay, so now listen students carefully. Where will you write? ध्यान दो, कहाँ लिखोगे आप लोग ये balance? Yeah. What did I tell? I'm again repeating. Notional profit will not be there in the last year. So यहाँ पे तो नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? Yeah, इधर नहीं आएगा. So where will this balance be highlighted? So I'm gonna highlight this balance here. Okay. See, I'll show just a minute, students. Yeah. Either I'm highlighting it here. Okay, it will not come in the notional profit column. Yes, it will come here. To P&L account. Profit. Okay. Yes. Yes. 15,16,500. Write it here. 15,16,500. Okay. 15,16,500. Okay. So this completes my contract account for all the 3 years. Okay. So third year, the last year, whichever is your last year, third year, अगर मैं 4 साल का contract दूँ तो fourth year will be your last year. If I give you 2 years का contract, then second year will be your last year. Okay, like this. So whichever is your last year, in that year, there will be no closing WIP, yeah, there will be no calculation of notional profit. So अगर notional profit ही नहीं है तो फिर ये सब आपके लिए applicable ही नहीं है. You are not supposed to calculate the range and all that. Okay, so your time saves. Fine. Okay. So now P&L account also I have made. Yeah. So P&L में भी जाएगा ये. Actually, I should make P&L account just below the contract account only. Next sum onwards, I will, I will keep that in mind. Yeah. Contract के नीचे ही P&L बनाना चाहिए actually. Okay. Yeah. So that it becomes easy to transfer. See, now this P&L account. Okay, this is the carried down balance, and I will bring it down to the P&L balance 15,16,500. Okay, so take the second effect here. Now I'm just giving the second effects. Huh? Yeah. So by what you will write? Yeah, by contract account. Okay, that balance brought down one part. Yeah, in the third year, 15,16,500. And let me see, second year में है क्या कुछ profit? Yes, second year में also there is profit 19,36,000. Okay, so that will also come. Yeah, here 19,36,000. And first year में there is nothing. Everything is going to reserves account. Okay. Yeah. So see, I've given second effect of this P&L. एक ये and one this one 1936. Okay. Now close P&L account. यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. Put a dash. 1936 and 15,16,500. Just a minute. So I'll write it here. Yeah. To closing balance 19,36,000 and 15,16,500. Okay. This closing balance will go to balance sheet, liability side. Okay, हम balance sheet extract भी बनाने वाले हैं, right? Okay, so this completes my P&L account. Okay. Next time onwards, we'll make P&L below contract only. Okay, it hardly takes 3-4 lines from more than that. ये भी हो गया. इसका second effect, give it in trial balance sheet extract P&L account. Yeah. There is nothing here. There is 19,36,000 and 15,16,500. Okay, balance sheet extract liability side, first year, second year, and the third year. Okay. Then contractee account. Yeah, first year, second year, third year. Particulars column. Okay. First year में तो obviously there is no opening balance. But cash received तो है. Yeah. Cash received कितना बोला है? 80% of work certified. So let us calculate that. So how much is my work certified for the first year? 22,50,000. Okay. Yeah. Where can I do this? Okay. Right, cash receipt entry I want. Okay, I'll write it here. Working note number, how much? How many working notes we are done? 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. So this is the fifth one. So working note number 5. Yeah, cash receipt is how much? 80% of work certified. So first calculate for the first year. First year में it is 22,50,000 work certified. उसका 80%. Okay. So 22,50,000 का 80% is how much? 18 lakhs. So 18 lakhs is my cash receipt. So right here 18 lakhs. Very good. Yeah, 18 lakhs. ठीक है. अभी close the first year. Yeah, 18 lakhs. There is only one journal entry or one transaction in contractee account, and that is cash receipt. Cash bank to contractee account. Okay, close this. So 18 lakhs is my balancing figure for the first year. So right here, to balance, carried down. Okay, so this 18 lakhs will become opening balance in the second year. Okay, next, calculate the second year. Second year is how much? 75 lakhs work certified. Uska 80% is cash receipt. So 75 lakhs ka 80% is how much? 60 lakhs. Okay, so right here 60 lakhs. Okay, and students now pay attention everyone. The most important aspect. भूलना मत, ये जो 75 lakhs है ये cumulative था. That means ये जो 60 है ये भी cumulative है. Okay, ये total cash मैंने जो पे किया है वो है ये. अब मुझे इसमें से देखना है मेरा सेकेंड ईयर का कैश कितना है. 60 lakhs कैश रिसीव्ड है, उसमें 18 lakhs भी ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है. ओके हाँ, तो भूलना नहीं. या ओके, दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड आई हैव टेकन अप अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सम. ठीक है हाँ, तो पे अटेंशन. सो दिस इज 60 lakhs. इधर आएगा वर्किंग नोट नंबर 5. Okay, yeah, now close this. $60 lakhs. Close this. So now this will be your balancing figure. Yeah, 60 minus 18. 42. Okay, so right here 42 lakhs the balance. $42 lakhs. Okay, yeah. And last, the last year. So this 60 lakhs will become opening balance for the third year. This 60 wala closing will become opening for the third year. Okay, so right here 60 lakhs. And second effect, contract account 1 crore, that is 100 lakhs. So this is the balancing figure. 3 lakhs. Okay. Attendance not required, Radhesham. Screenshot is already taken. Okay. This 100 lakhs kahan se aaya? 1 crore. This one. See this entry. I had told you, na? Yeah, this entry. This one. This entry ka second effect is in contract year account. See? Okay? Yeah. Actually, you should do it all simultaneously. जब तुम record करते हो उधर तभी इधर भी record कर देने का, तो फिर आप भूलोगे नहीं. ठीक है? Yeah, Shreyas, third year में what has happened? What did I tell you? Third year में there is no WIP, na? Third year में see there is no WIP. So what we assume? The third year is the last. I mean, it's not an assumption, but in this question, third year is my last year. So last year में there is no closing WIP. There is no work certified, uncertified because the building will be fully constructed. So we will assume that पूरा का पूरा पैसा हमें contractee से मिल जाएगा, receivable. Okay. So the journal entry is contractee's account debit to contract account. 1 CR. Okay. Uska second effect will come in contractee account. Clear, Shreyas? Okay. Done. Now make your balance sheet extract. Right here cash received. कितना आया cash received? ये देखो. 18 lakhs, 42 lakhs and 40 lakhs. But this figure is cumulative, so I'll have to take the cumulative figures. 18 lakhs, 60 lakhs, because this 75 lakhs is cumulative. So CR, cash received will also be cumulative. Reserves I had, yes, 10 lakhs in the first year. Second year, my reserves was how much? For 16 lakh 94. So right here, 16 lakh 94. Okay, that's it. Contractee account balance. Balance is how much? Contractee account 18 lakh and 60 lakhs. So right here, contractee account balance 18 lakhs and 60 lakhs. Okay, next. Yeah, plant kitna tha? Plant so you can copy from here. We had done a working note for plant. Yeah, this one. 75. Yeah, 6,000. What went wrong with this? Yeah. 75, then 15, exit to 60, 60, and then 15 again, exit to 45, then 45, and 7,500, exit to 37,500. Okay, this is my FOB. This is the presentation style. Okay, yeah. If you want, you can calculate your WIP also. 18 lakhs plus 25,000. Just your WIP, 22 lakh 50 plus 50 minus 18 minus 10. Okay, 5 lakhs. You can